and welcome to Learn on the Go. On this lesson, you will learn about the articles in English: a, an, and the. The articles in English are a, an, and the. Now, the articles a and an, we use them before singular nouns. Nouns are people, places, things, and animals. We use the article a or an before talking about one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. That means before singular nouns. But we use the article the before both singular and plural nouns. That means we can use this article before one noun or more than one. Now let's see how we use the article a. This article is used before words that begin with a consonant. These are the consonants. Let's look at some examples. A boy, a kite, a man, a toy, a zip. What we notice about all these words is that they have started with a consonant. So, for words that start with a consonant, we use the article a. When do we use the article an? Before words that start with a vowel sound. That means before words that start with the vowel sounds a, e, I, o, or a, we use this article an. Let's learn this with some examples. An apple, an elephant, an ink bottle, an octopus, an umbrella. All these words, they began with a vowel sound. Apple, so we use an apple. Elephant, an elephant. Ink bottle, an ink bottle. Octopus, an octopus. Umbrella, an umbrella. We use the article an before words that begin with a vowel sound. When do we use the article the? We use this article when we talk about a specific thing. Let's look at some examples. The red pencil. I have a lot of pencils here, but I am talking only about the red pencil. That is specific. The couch. I see a lot of chairs, but I am referring to only the couch. The tallest tree. Among these trees, I'm only talking about the tallest tree. We use the article the when we talk about a specific thing. One more thing. We use this article also if there is only one of that kind. Look at this picture. The sun. There is only one sun to the entire world. We use the article the. The Statue of Liberty. There is only one of this kind that's unique. So we use the Statue of Liberty. The Eiffel Tower. There is only one Eiffel Tower to the whole world that is unique. So we use the Eiffel Tower. Now let's see how we use the articles in sentences. There is a man. He has an umbrella. The man is holding the umbrella. Now look at the first two sentences. We have said there is a man. He has an umbrella. Here in these two sentences, we are talking about the man and the umbrella for the first time. But look at the sentence at the bottom. The man is holding the umbrella. Do you notice that we use the article the before man and umbrella? That is because when we talk about the same thing the second time, we use the article the. Now I hope that you have understood all about the articles in English, an, and the, and you know how to use them. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, like the video and subscribe to Learn on the Go. Click on the bell icon not to miss any new videos coming out from Learn on the Go.